Hey guys, this is how you play This Is How We Roll by Florida Georgia Line and Luke Bryan. This is a super easy song and it's so fun. So real quick, standard tuning, Capo on the first fret. I'm going to teach you the intro first. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your pointer finger on the G string on the second fret, second in relation to the Capo. This is all in relation to the Capo. And then you're going to slide it from 2 to 4 back to 2. So you pluck it just like that, okay? So it's like that. And then you're going to do open, so it's, and then you're going to hit the second fret on the D string, okay? So you're going to go, all right, so that's, and then you're going to do the same sliding, so you're going to do second, down to 4, down to 2, open, all right, and then you're going to do, you're going to pluck the D string open as well, so it's, all right, so it's, and then, all right, open. I kind of screwed it up, but, so, just like that, okay? So then, you're going to start it over again. You're going to go slide from 2, and this is on the G string, from 2, 4, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, and then 4. This is all still on the G string, but then this is where you go off the G string. Then you're going to go to the B string with your middle finger. You just play it in the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you lift up. So then you're going to play 2 on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, so the whole thing goes. Okay, might seem a little bit hard. If you play it slow and you go really slow, you can do it. Also, if you just skip it because it's too hard, that's fine. People are still gonna love the song. So then the song has mainly 3 chords. It's got 4 total, but it uses 3 for most of it. Okay, so then you're gonna do C add 9, and that C add 9 is just, you put your middle finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, and then you put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then you put your ring finger is going to go down on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, so you start like that. This tape's got a little hank. Okay, so it's C add 9, and then just G, and then D, and that's how the whole verse is. All right, and most of the song actually is. So it's, this tape's got a little Hank, little Drake, a little something bumping, thumping on the wheelwright. Mixed sound drinks a little stronger than you think. So get a grip, take a sip of that feel right. Okay, so and that's how you play it. You just do strums, okay? There's another guitar part, but it's like impossible to play and sing at the same time. So you'll just do that. C add 9, G, D, alright? So then you just go straight into the chorus, and it's the same thing. It's, this is how we roll, we hanging around singing that everything on the radio, light it up with our hands up, this is how we roll. Okay, so then you strum it like this. This is how we roll, this is how we do, we burning down the night, shooting bullets at the moon. So when you do that, this is the only part you play something different on the chords. So you keep your ring finger down. You don't have to lift it up the entire time. So you keep your ring finger down, and then you'll play E minor. So you just put these 2 fingers up here. So this one goes on the 2nd string, or sorry, on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then the middle one goes on the D string in the 2nd fret. So it's like this. And so it's this is how we roll, this is how we roll, this is how we do, we're burning down the night, shooting bullets at the moon. So then you go back to E minor, baby, and then you play D again. Baby, this is how we roll. So I'm going to show you that in like real time. Okay, so it's, this is how we roll, this is how we do, we're burning down the night, shooting bullets at the moon. Baby, this is how we roll. Okay, and then it just goes back into the verse. This is how we roll, we rolling into town with nothing else to do, we take another lap around. Yeah, holla at your boy if you need a ride. If you roll with me, yeah, you know we rolling high. Okay, and then and then it just repeats. Even when it comes to the solo, the rhythm guitar is just still playing the same thing. It's just. And the only time you do the that part is when you're going from this is how we roll, this is how we do, or this is how we roll, this is how we ride, to the rest of the chorus again. So you're like, when you're circling back, that's the only time you do the E minor part. So it's a super simple song. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments, or if there's any other songs you'd like me to play, let me know. And remember to hit subscribe. Thanks.